guys, this is Keela from the teen department, and today we're going to be making marble magnets. So we're going to need some Mod Podge, a little brush to brush it on there with. You're going to go ahead and print out what characters you want, and you'll like size them down to little circles. We need, call them fish rocks or flat marbles, just a little glass sphere that has a flat end so we can attach our magnet strip to it. So our end result, we're gonna look something like this. And I've already got some little squares cut out here. So first we're gonna take our scissors and just trim that up into the circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the more circular you get, the better it's gonna look when it's displayed in your magnet. Trim that a little. Okay, and then we are going to take our marble, get our Mod Podge out, take a little bit of it on a brush, and paint it just directly onto that marble on the flat side. Get a little more, it's not coming out. Okay, and you're gonna wanna try and have it flattened out the best you can. You don't want any big lumps in it. And then you're gonna take the little circle we cut out and put it face down, so you have the blank side facing up. That way our character can show through. And we're gonna take Mod Podge again and just go over the back of that. And we're gonna let that sit there and kind of get tacky for a second. And while that is doing it, we will go ahead and cut our magnet strip. If you have, you can do this step before or after. If you have any extra marbles laying around, you can do it after and kind of put it on to size it. Or you can just cut a circle to the best of your ability, like kind of eyeball it and see. You may have to just cut off strips and then trim it, because the magnetic strips aren't the easiest to cut. But it, again, doesn't have to be perfectly circular, because it's just going to go on the back. You just want to make sure you don't have any parts that are really sticking out. And then try and trim any sharp edges, because you don't want those really being the things that poke out there. And then I will set that extra marble aside. These have sticky paper on the back. You can try to get the sticky paper to adhere before you try Mod Podging it. I think it works best if you go ahead and Mod Podge it, because the sticky isn't that tacky. And then you're going to just press it on there, kind of hold it down. Make sure that it is tight. You're gonna wanna let it dry, but see if there's like some excess here on the magnet. We'll just go ahead and trim that and make sure there's no pointy edges sticking out. And then they should all look circular when you're done. And that's all I have for you today, so we'll see you next time.